Hi guys, so it's Thursday and I'm supposed to be posting my weekly keto update thing. But as I'm so not a distractible person, I'm sitting here practicing my favorite song. Yes, I have a new favorite song. And maybe you already know that because I posted it a little while back. It's called You Say by Lauren Daigle. Daigle, of course, is a French-Canadian name, but I have no idea whether she has any French-Canadian connections or not. But who knows, maybe she does. Anyway, why do I love this song? Well, not only because she has an absolutely fabulous voice, I mean, wow, but it's also because, well, I call it kind of my daily reset button, because it reminds me of the eternal truth that I'm completely and fully loved by the one who made me, by my creator, and, every other reality kind of pales in comparison to that one. Yeah. And the lyrics also remind me of a time in my life when I was really not fully connected and wondering who I was and really searching for the answers to those questions. And so these are the conclusions that I kind of arrived at coming out the other side of that. So yeah, so I'm pretty excited about learning it and about putting it out there too, because I believe that truth deserves to be shared. So without further ado, and for all of the musicians in the room, it's your basic 4-chord progression. So it's a F, A minor, D minor, B flat. So there you go. And I am not going to attempt the intro for you because so far I suck at it, but it's a work in progress, so that'll have to be for another day. Anyway, so here we go, and I hope you like it. It sounds something like this. I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up. Am I more than just the sum of every high and every low? Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. Oh, you say I am loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. You say I am held when I am falling short, and when I don't belong, oh, you say I am yours. And I believe, oh, I believe what you say of me. I believe. Taking all I have and now I'm laying it at your feet. You have every failure, God, and you'll have every victory. Oh, 'cause you say I am loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. And you say I am held when I am falling short. And when I don't belong, oh, you say I am yours. And I believe, oh, I believe what you say of me. Yeah, I believe, oh, I believe, yes, I believe what you say of me. Oh, I believe. There you go. That was You Say by Lauren Daigle. Hope you liked it. Have a good one.